Hi, a video was brought to my attention from around a year ago in which it seems like the guy is soldering a bunch of random transistors and wires together and he can't detect the presence of live voltage. And he got 3 million views for it. You know what it means? It calls for
the rectifier.
Is this circuit fake or not? Let's give this video a watch. What? Oh yeah, I've been using these Raycon earbuds for a few weeks now because this video is sponsored by Raycon. It is a great earbud at a pretty good price point for its quality. I'll give you a better review of the product at the end of the video, but if you are in market for one of these, click on my link in the description to get the huge Black Friday discount. And please use my link, so they can track I sent you and I go in their good books and all. Anyway, let's watch it. He is not talking at all. What is he hiding? Maybe his accent? I couldn't trust him if he had an accent. Why is he making a coil of wire with only one side connected? Everyone knows an inductor needs both sides connected. What is this then, an antenna? Antennas work at much higher radio frequencies to receive electromagnetic waves, not just 50 or 60 Hertz electric waves. And here's the circuit. 3 transistors, some magic wire loop, an LED and a battery. No resistor, capacitor or anything. And no accent either, so we can't judge if it is true. He got around 3 million views made around a year ago. How did I not see it until now? You should do a better job bringing this to my attention. Let's look at the comments. What is this language? Translate from Russian. Russians! He must be Russian then. Translator says, jihad without a detonator. I knew it! Russians are planning a jihad! I don't think jihad is a Russian thing though. Did the translator screw up? Jihad? G? So the word literally spells jihad in Russian? What is the guy trying to say? Jihad without a detonator? This is a joke. Extension cord on, 1, off, 0, and not like the video. What? Let's look at the video again. Look, when he turns the power bar on, the switch is in the off position and vice versa. Aha! That's what the comment meant. Another nail in the jihad. High five to all my Russian friends and everyone else in that corner of the world. But how about the circuit? Let's put it together and see if it works. I have a few transistors, not exactly the same, but it should work. I made the coil like the video and soldered the circuit exactly like shown in the video and will run it off 2 AA batteries. Now if I bring the circuit close to the live wires... Oh, hey, look. I didn't need to use live naked wires for this test. Okay, here's an extension cord. There, it works. Sorry to disappoint, but the circuit wasn't fake. I noticed if you search for transistor voltage detector, you'll find tons of videos with the exact same circuit or some with resistors added, because apparently it brings views. You should do a better job bringing this to my attention. But why does this video say, wow, incredible idea that should be in every home? Haven't you heard of non-contact voltage testers? Not only they light up, they beep when they come close to high voltage and you can adjust their sensitivity. So the idea is not that incredible. You can buy these anywhere. None of those videos explains how it works, so I assume none of them knows how it works, and that's why they all use the exact same transistor. I found a video from 8 years ago that might be the source to all this. Still doesn't explain it. Well, at least I'm pretty happy that the viral idea wasn't a hoax free energy mumbo jumbo. The Mextraf channel has tons of great electronic projects you can check. So I guess it's up to me to explain how the circuit works. Go ahead and press like on this video to appreciate my dedication. And buckle up to learn something. This coiled wire is not a coil, but one side of a capacitor, which means if I increase its surface area, it actually works better. See, the live voltage is reference to earth, and there is a very tiny stray capacitance between earth, which can be the environment or my body, to the circuit. And with the capacitance between the antenna and the live wire, the circuit closes and it can pick up the live voltage. Here is just the loop on my probe, and you can see the voltage rising when I get close to the live wire. But the transferred energy is so small, even my high impedance probe is loading the voltage and making it smaller. So in order to detect this very low energy voltage source, we must draw extremely small current from this detector loop. And again, a bigger surface area picks up a higher voltage. Okay, I'll explain a BJT transistor in my ElectroBOOM 101 series better later. But basically, for such a transistor, the current into the collector pin is beta times larger than the current into the base pin. Beta, which is also known as HFE, is a constant that can be pretty high, like 100 or 500, which means with a very small base current, we can start a much larger collector to emitter current. Now in our detector circuit, first we have a pair of transistors like this, which is called a Darlington pair. So if we need a specific output current, we need beta times a smaller current here and another beta times a smaller current into the base here. So to create the output current, you only need a super small input current 10,000 or more times smaller into the base. You can buy these Darlington pairs in one package like a transistor. Now we add this final stage. This transistor acts like a switch. We give it some input base current and it draws beta times more current at the output and turns on the LED. So for example, if you need 10 milliamps through your LED to turn it on, you would need at least 100 times a smaller current here, another 100 times a smaller current here, and another 100 times a smaller here. So you would draw less than 10 nanoamps from your antenna, which makes the circuit work. Now if you want to run the circuit on more than 3 volts, you would need to place a series resistor with your LED. If only one of these videos explained this circuit. Now get this video to trending, because if his video deserves 3 million views, mine deserves 10 million. And let me check my Raycon earbuds, link in the description for any of their products to get the Black Friday discount. You can go there directly, but use my link. They say this E25 is their basic model, but frankly I don't know what else you want from an earbud. It has a very good sound quality, which is bass rich for that extra oomph. It has a built-in microphone so you can make hand-free calls, although I can't find the microphone hole. And the sponsor didn't want me to take it apart. It connects to my laptop Bluetooth so I'm not stuck at the computer. The charging case is super small. You open it, the earbuds automatically turn on and connect. You put them back and close the lid and they automatically turn off, and the case has its own battery that charges them. They work for 6 hours continuously on their tiny battery, or 24 hours if you charge them by the case battery, after which you charge them by USB. They fit very well in my ear and you can barely see them. They also seal great against the outside noise. That's why while driving I only put one in so I can hear the road. I had them for 3 weeks now and they're great, so use my link. The video didn't get to the 10-minute point. It's not gonna get the 10 million views it deserves. Do you guys wanna watch me clean my room? Of course you do.